welcome back to my channel. Today is another episode of What You Making Monday, and I am making something that I have been making for almost 13 years. This was, I think, actually like the first meal I learned how to cook from my mother-in-law when we first got married almost 13 years ago. And I am going to be making honey mustard chicken with broccoli cheddar rice. So yes, you've seen me make a lot of great, delicious, easy recipes, but when I first got married, I only really knew how to make a very few things. We had a lot of mac and cheese, we had a lot of peanut butter and jelly, tacos, and this recipe, honey mustard chicken. So I've been making it for a while, and it's actually one of my daughter's favorites, and so she was just saying how we haven't had it in a while, so this is a perfect recipe to make. Once again, very, very easy to make. And I'm actually going to be making the broccoli cheddar rice is actually rice-a-roni. My daughter loves it and always wants the cheesy rice. The turmeric and coconut rice that I made last week, she actually thought was cheesy rice because it was colored the same color, but I had to break the news and tell her that it was not cheesy rice. So she's going to be very happy today when I make the cheesy rice for her, but first we need to get the chicken started.
For this recipe, you will need 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. I just kind of eyeball it since I've made this so many times. And then you will need a half cup of honey. Mix it all together. I love how it kind of makes a little marbling pattern here. So once it's all mixed up well, then we'll add in the chicken breasts. That's what I use. You could use chicken thighs if you had those on hand. Once the chicken breasts are in here, I flip them over just so that they can get all of the honey mustard sauce on them before putting them in the oven at 425 degrees for about 45 minutes, depending on what kind of chicken you are using.
this time. So the 40 minutes that I chose to cook the chicken breast was a good amount. If you do chicken thighs, you will probably want to do it for less time, maybe 20 minutes or so. I've never actually made it with chicken thighs, so I can't say exactly, but if I had to guess, you could do that. But it smells delicious, and it just kind of brings up some good memories of simple dishes that I learned how to make, and now I'm still making for our kids as well. I know it's going to taste delicious, but for entertainment purposes, I am going to give it a try. I love drizzling some more of the sauce on the chicken. You could even put some on the rice of your choice. Doesn't have to be rice-a-roni. You could add in green beans or asparagus or some other vegetable on the side as well. Delicious, as I knew it would be. The rice is always good, quick, easy meal to do during the week. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you want to see more recipe ideas. I do post new recipe ideas on Mondays. And give this video a big thumbs up and comment below what you are having for dinner tonight. I'll see you next time.